Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan, and in this short video I will show you the location of the starter fuse and relay. This video will apply to Dodge Grand Caravans made from 2011 all the way up to 2020. Both the fuse and the relay are located in the main fuse box, which is just next to the battery under the front hood. To leave this cover, you'll have two clips, one here and one here, so you want to press onto both of these to unclip them and then leave the cover up. On the back side of the cover you will have a fuse diagram as well. Fuse you want to check is fuse number J17. It's a 40 amp fuse located right here. And the starter relay is this relay just next to it. To test the relay, what you can do, you can try swapping it with any of these guys and see if that makes a difference. If it does, in that case just buy a new relay and replace it. It's just a couple of dollars and that will fix your problem. If both the fuse and the relay are good, then you'll have to do deeper diagnostics, check the starter itself and things like that. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider joining and subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.